Pregnancy is a complex process that can be divided into three main stages, each with its own set of fetal development milestones. These stages are known as trimesters and typically last for about 9 months, or 40 weeks, from the first day of the last menstrual period, LMP. The first trimester is from week 1 to week 12. This begins from conception when a mature egg is fertilized in the fallopian tube by a sperm. The fertilized egg undergoes rapid cell division, combining the genetic materials from the father, sperm, and the mother, egg, resulting in a zygote. The zygote now contains the full complement of 46 chromosomes, with 23 chromosomes from the father, including one sex chromosome, X or Y, and 23 chromosomes from the mother, including one sex chromosome, X. This diploid cell contains all the genetic instructions necessary for the development of a new individual. Around the 5th day after fertilization, the morula undergoes further divisions and rearrangements of cells and eventually forms a blastocyst. The blastocyst is a hollow, fluid-filled structure consisting of two main parts, the inner cell mass, ICM, and the trophoblast. The ICM will give rise to the future embryo, while the trophoblast will develop into the placenta and other supporting structures. The blastocyst then implants into the uterine lining. The blastocyst develops into the embryonic stage and the yolk sac provides nutrition and gas exchange between the mother and the developing embryo. The amniotic sac also form during this time. Around weeks 5 to 8, major organs and systems, including the heart, brain, spinal cord, and digestive system, start forming in the embryo. The baby's heart begins to beat and can often be detected through ultrasound. The limb buds form and facial features start to develop. By week 8, the embryo is now officially called a fetus. Its major organs and facial features become more defined. By week 9, the fetus starts developing fingers and toes, and its sex organs begin to differentiate. The facial features become more human. Around week 10, the fetus can move its limbs, although the movements may not be felt by the mother yet. The placenta gradually develops and takes over the work of the yolk sac. The placenta serves as the lifeline between the developing embryo and the mother, providing oxygen, nutrients, and waste removal for the growing embryo. By the end of the first trimester, the fetus is about 2.5 to 3 inches long and its major organs develop, though they may not be fully functional yet. All external features become more defined. The second trimester begins from week 13 to week 27. The fetus continues to grow and its organs continue to mature. The fetus begins to grow hair, and its skin is covered in a fine layer of hair called lanugo. The fetus can swallow and produce urine. The skeletal system starts to harden, and the fetus may start to suck its thumb. The fetal movements become more pronounced at this time and the mother can typically start feeling fetal movements, quickening. The fetus can hear external sounds at this time. By weeks 21 to 24, the fetus's lungs begin to develop surfactant, a substance that helps the lungs expand and contract. By weeks 21 to 24, the baby's lungs are developing rapidly, and it may even practice breathing movements. The fetus can open and close its eyelids and the fetus develops a regular sleep-wake cycle. The fetus's skin becomes covered in vernix, a protective substance. Between weeks 25 to 27, the fetus's brain continues to mature, and it becomes more responsive to stimuli. It may respond to touch or sound. If the fetus is born prematurely at this stage, the baby has a better chance of survival with medical intervention. By the end of the second trimester, which is around weeks 27 to 28, the average fetus measures about 14 to 15 inches, 35 to 38 centimeters, in length from the crown, top of the head, to the heels. The third trimester, which is week 28 to birth, the fetus continues to grow and develop. It gains more body fat, which helps regulate body temperature. The fetus becomes increasingly cramped in the uterus, so movements may feel less forceful but more frequent. By weeks 32 to 35, the baby's bones are fully developed, but they are still somewhat flexible. The skull bones remain soft, to ensure ease of passage through the birth canal. By weeks 36 to 40, the baby settles into a head-down position for birth. The lungs are fully developed, and the baby is ready for life outside the womb. The average fetus measures approximately 19 to 21 inches, 48 to 53 centimeters, in length. The mother may start to experience Braxton Hicks contractions, which is sometimes called practice or false contractions. Remember, a fetus is considered full term at 37 weeks. At this time, the chances of complications decrease significantly. It is very important to note that the exact timing of these milestones can vary from one pregnancy to another. Regular prenatal checkups and ultrasound to monitor fetal development to ensure both the mother and the baby are healthy throughout the pregnancy is very important. Stages of pregnancy and fetal development from trimester 1 to 3 in summary. Thanks for watching.